Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. Today I am sharing with you another craft along video which I am doing in collaboration with Globleland. I'll put their link down below here. And of course you can grab your chance to win a beautiful stamp set and some stickers. Just grab your chance to watch the videos previously to my broadcast, and I will share with you what I received in the what I picked out from the shop. And of course I'll have already made a beautiful craft along video as well for you, so don't forget to subscribe as well, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. We were like this the last time when I was online. I tried to film and started off in making this, but for some reason there wasn't enough space on my camera, so I ended up filming this and not recording. So we will start off again with this tag. This is from the Parasol collection, as well as the other tags that I've already finished. These are all from the newest release from Maggie Holmes, as I said, the Parasol collection. And this is as base for my tag. What else did we use? Of course, the stamp set. You can see here. For the base plate of the tag that we're going to use, I made this out of gold cardstock. This one time out of tracing paper and the other time out of just a clear acetate sheet. And this is for the greeneries. We used these for the greeneries. You can see them here. And just as a tip, you can, before you start die cutting, you can put on some adhesive on the back. I have one with a very wide sticker sheet, so this is like a perfect size. I do think it's about maybe 2 inches, maybe more. Let me see. Sorry, it's about 4.5. Yeah, 4.5 inches. Don't know if you can see it well like this, maybe. It's 4.5 inches. So that I used in the back, and then I start adhering, die cutting all my pieces. These are the last pieces from the roses. I did that out of glitter cardstock. And the last piece of greenery, which is this grass here. So for the assembling, I do like to have some kind of background that is a bit muted. So for this, I'm going to use the tracing paper in the background, and I'm going to take a look at where I want to position my globe there. And then I can start by sort of tracing the end of my paper like so, just giving it a little bit of a curve there, just to follow along a teeny tiny bit of the edge like so. So then you can see how it's going to be like this. And of course you can put it a little bit lower. Maybe I will do that as well, I'll do it like this. So if I start cutting my first layer, I can do it by this. I will keep this piece to use later on the acetate sheet. Yes, like so. So this is going to be my base. And for gluing down, I'm using the all-purpose glue. You can use any glue that you want to use for acetate. This one does dry up pretty clear, so you don't see any traces, but I do love to stay on the edge of the tracing paper just in case, and I'll position it the way I want it to be. So in this case it's like this. Then I'll start by putting this piece on top, and on the back I did go ahead and add on some of that transfer or double-sided stick. This piece has not come off. Let me peel it off. So, and I'm hoping you have enjoyed the last video that I made with you making that beautiful teapot. And of course, just go ahead and grab your chance for the $5 coupon code just by using this beautiful code here, NADE5. Grab your chance for $5 discount on any order above the $40. So that's for that. And then we'll start by adding our layers. I love to start by adding the greenery first, which is this. And then I will start taking a look at how I want the flowers to go. So in this case, I'll put it like this and peel off the back again. Put on some glue on that. The sheet. So that's for this. This will be in the center, just a little bit under the globe there for the flowers to have some room. And this is the last piece that I will be, let me think. No, I think I'll leave it like this because I have some room left for the flowers and the leaves this way. So let's just start assembling the roses. And this I die cut it out of a gorgeous glittered cardstock. I'll put this, yeah, maybe just like this indeed. Just leaving some room for the flower here. And I'll add this piece. And while I am adding, I just keeping in mind where I want to add the leaves to the layout. So where I want it, for example, I want to pop it here, so I'll leave some room there. And this is the last one, which I'm going to peel off. And I must say the double-sided tape is pretty good. It does peel off really quick. It's a brand from here in Europe. So that's for the base. So that's how we have our gorgeous flowers there. Of course, you can add up some more dimension by just popping up this with any kind of medium that you have, maybe stift or your inks. You can get some more dimension. And I'll add on the grass for coverage of the tiny pieces there. And this. We'll go ahead and put this on the right level. And then we'll go and add on our, let me see if I did, add on our leaves, which are pretty detailed. I love the details of the leaves. Let me see if I can show you like this. You can see the centerpiece there. I love that. So let's go ahead and add those onto the globe as well. One here. Maybe the next one like this. And each time you can sort of vary with the leaves. Of course, the larger the tag, the larger globe you can create. It's all up to you. So that's for that. And as last, we can start to add on our acetate sheet, and it goes well over this cover. And then I'll just try to see if this is the right size. Let's see, we wanted to cover it like so. So I'm using this as a template for my edge there. And I just follow it with my scissors. And adding some drops. You don't have to use as much as I do. Just add it on top of the globe. And then I usually do love to add some more dimension to the back and the front. So I will be adding a pop of the greenery in between the layers there. So it does pop out a little bit on that side. And I want to have a piece here on the top of the acetate sheet as well, so that I will be adding here. And of course you can play with these elements as well, leaving it like this. Such a cute element to add to maybe some tag flips as a gift, a set with some quotes on top. You can choose to use the eyelet as a extra piece, or leave it as it is, adding some laces, trims to the top, whatever you like or decide to do. It's just a perfect die for this. And yeah, so that's for the make for today. Please, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to put them in the description box down below. And thank you so much again, Globleland, for asking me to collaborate with you and to pick out some beautiful goodies from your shop to create with. And yeah, we'll do don't forget, I am having a little giveaway. So don't forget to comment as well on this video to make a chance. And I hope to see you all soon in my next crafty video. Bye bye.